Today I'm gonna introduce you how to swap Ether on any ERC20 token. We're gonna use Uniswap. This is the decentralized exchange. You don't need to have any account, do any kind of verification, etc. The only thing you need to have is the wallet, the crypto wallet. Specifically, I'm going to use MetaMask for this example. Yeah, this is just the only requirement that you need to have MetaMask installed. And yeah, for this testing purpose, I'm going to use Sepolia testnet, and I'm going to swap Sepolia ETH to let's say some random ERC20 token. So first of all, you are going to uniswap.org. You click the launch an app. Let's get started. I'm gonna select, let's say, wrapped ETH. Yeah, but first of all, I think I need to connect here. I'm gonna click connect. I'm gonna select MetaMask here, and gonna select the first account that has some test Sepolia ETH. Yeah, you can see we have 0.579, and I'm gonna select here like some token, maybe some Uniswap token. Let's see. And I would like to exchange my 0.001 Ether to Uniswap. It's gonna calculate the best price like for you right now, and in this case I'm gonna get the 0.00194107 uni tokens on this amount of Ether. You can expand this one actually, and you can see the price impact. It means the once you do this swap, like what would be the price impact on this specific pool. We can discuss the pools in a different video, but yeah, you can see that it will the price impact on this coin once you do this swap. And yeah, minimum output, what will be the minimum number of unit tokens you're gonna get after this transaction has been ended, because this is the kind of the approximate amount that you're gonna get, and this is the expected output. Yeah, let's do the swap. I'm gonna see you're gonna pay this one, you're gonna receive this one. You're gonna see the exchange rate here. The one uni equals 1.94 Ether. This is just on the test net, like in the mainnet in the real life. There's totally different exchange rate right now. The network fee will be like less than 1 cent. The price impact, as we already discussed, and you can even see here when you hover over the text, the impact you trade has on the market price of this pool. So it means that yeah, this will be the price impact on this pool. And yeah, let's do the swap. MetaMask gonna pop here. It's gonna show me that paying this amount of Sepolia Ether, and it like MetaMask kind of estimates that this transaction will be succeeded in less than 30 seconds. I'm gonna confirm. Let's wait. It should be actually pretty soon. I can actually check my MetaMask in the meantime. We can actually click on View Block Explorer, and we can see like what's going on in the transaction. You can see it's still pending. Let's refresh it. It takes some time. Actually, I've noticed that on the testnets, like transactions are going a bit slower comparing to the mainnet, and yeah, that's taking some time. Yeah, you can see it has been included on this block, like 424038, and yeah, it has been successfully swapped. What I'm gonna do is actually I would like to see these tokens on my MetaMask. I'm gonna click refresh, but I think I need to import it manually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to this transaction, and you can see that we made this transaction from this address to this one, and I got this Uniswap. So I'm gonna click here on the Uniswap ERC20 token, and I'm gonna just grab the token contract. So by default, if the MetaMask can't index the token automatically, what you can do is like just copy the contract address of the token, click import tokens, and I'm gonna paste here. Yeah, I think it tries. Interesting. Okay, let's see. Token decimal should be 18. Token symbol should be Uni. And yeah, you can see here. So we have successfully swapped our Sepolia ETH to Uni. That's it for today. Thank you very much.